Alright, with a sense of gratitude, this small meditation session has been done. You know, the common emotion whenever things go wrong is that we end up putting the blame on the other person. But once we sit in meditation, we get this opportunity to remove all the noise, tell ourselves that we are responsible. So what happened today, we are on a family holiday, and while having breakfast, just had a verbal altercation with one of my family members. So I chose to just get off the table, but when I got to my room, my mind started playing these chit-chat with me. My mind started fighting with me that I should have said that, it's not fair, everything. Every time, something goes wrong, it's a normal human emotion that we end up putting the blame on the other person. Today, for the first time, after all the psychological drama was over, all right, I got my yoga mat, all right, I sat here in a corner for 15 minutes, put some nice relaxation, calming music. I closed my eyes and I started to do a deep introspection, all right, a dissection into what had happened. And why I shared this is, outside world, whatever happens, all right, we have limited control. But what happens deep within should be 100% in our control. That is why all these religious, spiritual leaders, time and again, they stress on the importance of sitting in meditation every single day before you start your day, and especially towards the end of the day before you retire, so that you can talk to yourself. You can talk to yourself, do a deep introspection. Whatever has gone wrong, take responsibility, because only when you take responsibility, you tell yourself that you are also responsible. And then next time you have a chance to tackle a situation in a better way. All right, we all are who we have become. We cannot fight ourselves. Yes, I have a slightly aggressive, ambitious nature. This is my strength. This is my uniqueness. But once I sit in this meditation, this is my chance to make it stronger from deep within as well. So leaving you all with this thought, we will keep working on ourselves every single day. Right? Every single emotion that gives us this mental turbulence, right? And change it into that inner power in which we have all the control.